In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Analytics events in just 5 minutes. This is a straightforward process, so even if you're new to Google Analytics, you'll be able to follow along and set up events to better track user interactions on your website. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Analytics platform. If you're unfamiliar with how to get there, simply search for Google Analytics in your favorite search engine and click on the official Google Analytics link, which usually comes up as Analytics Tools and Solutions for Your Business, Google Analytics. Once you've accessed the Google Analytics homepage, you'll need to sign in. Click on the Sign into Analytics button and enter your login credentials. If you don't have a Google Analytics account yet, you'll need to create one. It's a straightforward process and there are plenty of guides online to help you with account creation if needed. After you have signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Analytics homepage. This page gives you an overview of your analytics and various metrics associated with your account. For our purpose, we'll want to focus on the events section, which is crucial for understanding user behavior on your site. Next, navigate your way to the analytics section by clicking on the admin tab, which you'll find on the lower left corner of the Google Analytics interface. Once you are in the admin section, look for a tab labeled events or create event and click on it. Now, you're ready to configure a new event. You'll be taken to the Events Hub where you'll see current events, or in our case, create a new one, click on Create Event. This is where you have the option to define what specific user interactions you'd like to track. Depending on your goals, you might want to track clicks, form submissions, page views, or other important actions that users might take on your website. Creating the event itself is quite simple. Once you click Create Event, you'll need to provide some details about the event. You'll have fields like the name of the event, the condition that will trigger it, and so on. Be sure to name your event something descriptive so it'll be easier to identify later when you're analyzing your data. After setting up the event, save it and you're done. You've just set up an event in Google Analytics. Now you can start tracking it and understanding how users engage with your site. It's a powerful way to gain insights and make data-driven decisions to optimize user experience and drive your business goals. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to creating Google Analytics events. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keep tracking, keep optimizing, and see you in the next video.